Really cool moment a couple weeks ago when I went and took a tour over at Indigo Technologies, which is a Massachusetts-based EV company that's quite innovative. They are getting disruptive with the way they build their EVs in a few different ways, one of which is something called a hub motor. The EV motor actually rests inside of the wheel, and then they have like smart suspension. They really, in an innovative way, thought about the frunk. As an EV driver, I've used my frunk 5 or 10 times in the past 4 years, and something really struck me while I was meeting with the CEO over there, Will Graylin. He's tremendously focused on what he's doing. So, took us through the whole factory, showed us all this different technology. Self-driving is one of the things that they're heading into. And towards the end of the meeting, they took us through a PowerPoint with some major business leaders, like world business leaders in this PowerPoint. People like CEOs of very large transportation companies, super connected business there. But what I said in that meeting was, geez, somebody's gonna buy you, Will. And he looked up at me and he said, you know what, Gabe? He said, that doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is focusing all of my efforts on my value proposition in the marketplace. Now, here's a guy that spun up Square, sold it off, spun up a company that was a virtual wallet type of company that Samsung bought and turned into Samsung Pay. We're talking about a major disruptive guy in industry. And he's telling me, don't worry about acquisitions. I'm not worried about that. What I'm worried about is my value prop. There's something there for all of us. Hope you're encouraged.